sunny Mormeal, and today we are road testing seats for sitting back and relaxing in. Now this particular one here is all the way from Halfords in Korean. I must admit, wee bit stiff on the suspension, but generally speaking quite comfortable, and best of all is a wee table for setting your your agua twist still water and your half-eaten apples belonging to Mr. Henderson. Also today we are going to introduce one of our Old Fart members who has been injured off the bike for quite a while, but he's back today. Give a big round of applause for Mr. Stephen Chester.
Oh, it's me!
Say a few words, Stephen. Don't be bashful.
Yeah. All good. Yeah.
Well, how's it going today, Stephen? Are you happy?
Aye, having fun. Not much speed, but having fun. It's been a long time since I've been on a bike, but it's good fun.
The older we get, the faster we wear.
Aye, definitely in my head, that's for sure.
What do you think of the company?
Well, that's a bit, it's a bit of a desired taste, but rather be on my feet up. Old Farts Company makes it. One for that, wouldn't be any crack.
Sorry, warning! Do not sit or place heavy loads, as this may cause the chair to become unstable and fall over. So, only slender people like myself are allowed still. Alright. Right, back onto the bikes.